Just going down. You hold it from the side, okay? Going down.
Bob, we're gonna see the rock with the ponies on it. Oh goody. So I'm so scared because it's a height.
Going down from this.
Try again.
Pretty scary.
Not scary at all.
Huh?
Not scary.
Really?
Oh no.
It sounds very scary to me.
Yeah, only if it was running. Ooh, Bob, look at the Smoky Mountains.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Have you been to Smoky Mountains? Does that look like? Papa, that's the rock with all the ponies on it.
Yeah.
It was so cool.
So, Nama, what do you know about the Natural Bridge?
I don't know anything. Baba, you're the one that's supposed to be knowing.
Subhanallah ji sakharana hadha ma kunna.
Ooh.
La hawla wa la quwwata illa
Oh,
billah.
Baba, over there is that red fruits. Hey, Mama!
No. Don't say anything to your mommy.
Right. No, it's not scary. Well, this is scared, like the scaredy cats. Yeah, I'm sure scaredy cats.
When you tell me when
Going down and down.
It looks like it's so slow.
Yeah, it should be so. Nah? If it go fast, it's dangerous.
I know.
Say them hi. How you doing? Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Oh, I'm just scared.
Well, going down all the way around on the Smoky Mountain.
Wait, what?
Hi. How are you doing?
Good.
Have a wonderful time.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Wait, we're in Smoky Mountains? Wow, that should have been
No.
Tennessee. Look at
That is the Natural Bridge.
Hadya, be quiet.
Hi.
Ah.
Be quiet, Hadya. Hadya.
Hadia.
Hadya, shush. Oh, no.
What is happening to this? Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, now it's thingy.
Yeah.
No.
Naba, you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Hmm?
It's really my second time going on this.
Really?
Yeah.
Fall colors are showing up on the Natural Bridge. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
I remember I saw the one at the Montgomery Zoo.
Really?
That the teacher won't allow us to go on it. Hey, Mama, we're right behind you.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you doing?
We're good.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you.
Ooh, getting twisty. Vroom, vroom.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Daddy, are you enjoying it? Or is it scary? Oh, good, it's not coming. But I need to find that rock. If I do, I'll see all the pennies.
What?
Yeah, there's a rock of ponies.
Naba, if you walk down from the natural bridge to down, can you go alone
Yeah,
to that place?
yeah.
Can you find the way?
Uh-oh. Baba, Mama's friend's in there.
Suno,
Mama,
phone de do.
you can't just give him the phone already. You can't just throw
Phone
it.
चाहिए. मैं आके दे जाता हूँ.
Baba, you can't do that. You can't just throw the back of the thing to her. Everything will spill down on the floor. Yeah, then do not do it. Here.
No. That's fine. That is just fine.
Oh, it's so beautiful down here. Still looking at that. Someone's over there.
पीछे.
Right.
Don't put on the.
It's hard looking
Yeah.
down.
So just going. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Have a nice day.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Well, I can just lift the thing up. Then to look. I'm doing some. Yay, we're there. Oh, but that's really bad. Oh, I need it. Go down.
Hi. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Shoo, shoo. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo.
Hi. Have a nice day.
Huh?
Bangladesh?
India.
India? Have a nice day. I just want to make video when you get close to this.
Yay, that's the ponies. Your size. So funny. I remember I said a cool one. I wonder why there's ponies all over it.
Hi.
Hello.
Next time, don't forget to get one pony from here.
Oh yeah.
Throw one pony.
But why are there
Yeah,
ponies? 'Cause
yeah.
I'm not gonna throw this one.
Throw your pony here.
No.
Why?
Not. Because no one even gonna get one pony over there, then swap it. Mm-mm. Well, those are a lot of colors of ponies. Ooh. Hi, Mama.
Sit back. Sit back, Naba.
It's just crazy to me. So could person
So going down and down, going down and down, going down and down.
It's called going up and down. Then we're going to go way down. Then all the way down. Then all the way down. Oh, yeah, we're bouncing. So cool here. And then it's going to be all the way up there and all the way down there. All the way up, all the way up.
So slowly, slowly, slowly. What?
What?
Makes their day. They may not have any.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You too.
Well, that's like, okay, we're going down.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye. Hi.
How are you?
Hi. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Baba,
Hmm?
so, where are we going next? Are we going to go to lunch? Oh, where are we going? Mr. Kebab. Ooh, I like the rice. So good. But that's in Lexington. Oh, I wish we lived here.